This is a preview of the look we will be creating today. To begin, pull your hair up into a high ponytail. Take some time here to remove any visible bumps on all sides. Wrap your elastic around once, twice, and on the third turn, as you flip the hair upwards, don't pull your hair all the way through. Loosen the bun slightly and carefully pull out a few strands. The idea is to have about half of your hair remaining in the loop and the other half to be hanging down. If you loosen the upper loop too much, adjust accordingly. Flatten the bun and secure with bobby pins directly inside the loop. You can either choose to finish the look here, or you can curl the loose strands. To curl your hair with a straightening iron, simply clamp 1 to 2 inch sections of hair in the blades and pull downwards while turning the iron 180 degrees to 360 degrees. Flip the iron in alternating directions so as to prevent the curls combining into one section throughout the day. The look is complete. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the box below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks, guys!